Since then, it's eased off just that wee bit. Asian Paints, that's an interesting one as well. So first rates then this morning after a close at 10,296 in the Nifty Futures yesterday. The pre-open rates already indicating a positive start for us. Let's see which way we are heading right now. And like I said, banks are going to be extremely critical even today. The first rates on your screen, 10,369. It's a positive start, but again, it's no big bang move really. Asian Paints makes it 20 bucks higher, 1,700 levels on Asian Paints right now. Marginal greens, even on the likes of Reliance Industries. ITC, that's very interesting. Considering that you've got the earnings slated to come out today, the stock has already run up 6.5% in trade yesterday. And as I see on my screens, it's another 2% pushing in the green for ITC. And this is ahead of the numbers itself. ICICI Bank stabilizes at 357. It's a 2% move. You've got a strong breath as well at your hand. Infosys, Tata Motors, Hindalco. These are names which are actually propping up in the green. IndusInd Bank as well starts off 2.5% higher. And then you've got Hindalco as well holding up. Now to the broader market contenders, the ones which have really been seeing that flurry of trade, and I'm going to not touch upon the penny names, but let's start with an Indiabulls Housing, for instance. A 10.5% surge yet again in trade yesterday. Piramal Enterprises was another big winner. Chola Finance, MFSL, these are kind of names which propped up in trade yesterday, even though the market was choppy and closed in flat. These were the names which were actually holding up. So just keep some of them on your radar. Not such a great day for a Canara Bank yesterday. NMDC as well eased out just that wee bit. Balkrishna Industries as well, a choppy ride and then closed in the red. So just monitor some of these names on your radar. But not bad, Nikunj. I mean, we've started off in a decent note. 10,300 and a very strong breath. At least that's the first flash. It's nothing really to complain.
But now the top draws ITC, Aisha, what we were thinking, that is the market now likely to migrate towards value once again. Actually, let's look at the 1 month chart of ITC and HUL, and you will see a very stark outperformance. Historically, we've always compared ITC and HUL. HUL, well, we know that they are not growing as great as they were, and there is an COVID impact which they have already enumerated too. Also, a lot of supply of paper has come for HUL post that Glaxo Consumer deal, where Glaxo Consumer, when they got the shares in the swap of the company, they've decided to offload it. So the institutional appetite is no longer very insatiable for the stock of HUL. So let's look at the 1 month chart of HUL. That's ITC for you, up 7% higher. 7% higher for ITC in last 1 month. It's one of those sleepy stocks. And HUL in last 1 month, let's look at it, has given you 8% hike. So right now it's neck to neck, but let's see how it moves.